right heading 270 and squawk altitude when able.
270, Cherokee 22336. As far as I'm concerned, I'm squawking 4645.
And 336, I'm not receiving the altitude portion of your transponder, so squawk altitude, please, and verify you're at 2000.
Good morning, Cherokee 22336, ready to pick up my IFR plane, please?
Number 22336, you're cleared of VIRB Beach Airport via radar vectors Dury, as filed. Maintain 2000, expect 6000, 10 minutes after. Departure frequency will be 125.2. Squawk 4645. Hold for release.
Clear to Vero Beach, radar vector to Dury, as filed, altitude 2000 to 6000 in 10 minutes, frequency 125.2, squawk 4645, Cherokee 22336.
56, read that correct, hold for release, and give us a call when you're number one ready to go.
Hold for release, and we'll give you a call when ready to go. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Prop clear! Good morning, November 22336, holding for release on runway 34 in Lantana. November 22336 is released. Time to control airspace, heading 180, void if not airborne by 1300. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Airspace is alive. Bridges are in the green. 60.
And Lantana traffic 522 Golf Charlie, taking active runway 34 for immediate departure.
Approach Cherokee 22336 at 2000.
22336 Palm Beach approach, Roger. Squawk 4645.
Squawk 4645, Cherokee 22336. Why is it in standby? Maybe because it disconnected the battery.
Lantana Airport, turn right heading 270 and squawk altitude when able.
270, Cherokee 22336. As far as I'm concerned, I'm squawking 4645.
And 336, I'm not receiving the altitude portion of your transponder, so squawk altitude, please, and verify you're at 2000.
I'm at 2000 and verify that I have the altitude on the transponder, Cherokee 22336.
336, yep, I'm seeing it now, thank you.
Thank you.
At this time, I'm briefing the RNF 30 left at Vero Beach.
Anyway, the
decision
altitude is 222. Mine is going to be 400.
Hotel train.
This approach is straight. Climb 2000 up to Hokie.
Quebec Sierra, turn right, heading 360.
How far are we?
27 minutes.
Power sign heading side, looking 459.
It's a long time.
715 Pop Punch approach, visual approach, runway 30 left, descend to maintain 4000.
I expect a visual on the 28 left and down to 4000, 511 landmark. And Palm Beach, I'm just confirming that was for 715 Lima Papa.
Okay. 336, maintain 2000, cleared RNAV, runway 30 left.
Maintain 2000 and clear for the RNF 30 left, Cherokee 22336. Lights, camera, action. Should have done it before.
VIRB Beach Tower, Roger.
So, this is the restaurant. That will be Florida JC Cannon's restaurant and lounge. Yeah, they are overlooking the runways. Beautiful restaurant. Love coming here.
How was the flight?
The flight was good. I haven't flown for quite some time. As before this flight, Ben flew with his cousin or his relative from Toronto and his lady friend. So I was able to stay at home and relax. So today was my turn to be punished. And again, I have no problem flying. I'm not scared. The only thing what makes me very anxious is to fly over water. And I understand, Ben always tells me that we can glide back, but you know what, it still makes me anxious, and I'm not really fond of it. So we are now in the restaurant. I will enjoy breakfast, and hopefully on the way back I will fall asleep. Okay, that's it.
And my honey is supposed to be the co-pilot helping me, and I guess her help consists of falling asleep. As long as she doesn't snore, I'm okay. Because when I hear the snore, I think there's an engine problem, God forbid. So, anyway, the other thing that I wanted to mention was that when I started the plane, I had an issue with the battery. It's a brand new battery that just went bad from day one. I took it to the mechanic. He said that the solenoid he had to replace, and he did replace it. I came this morning, and it barely started. I just hope that now when we leave, it's going to start again, and I'm going to have to drop by. Thank you.
What did you ask the waitress for? What? Can you repeat that, please?
If they have decaf espresso, and she looked at me as if I come from the moon.
I think you did. What do we do? What do you think this is going to happen?
It's really our favorite restaurant to fly into. So anyway, so we're going to order some breakfast and head back. Okay, well, see you on board.
Skyflight 881, up this road.
Okay, to be, I guess, on flight, on route of...
Cherokee 46 Mike, turn base, runway 30 left, continue traffic holding position.
Turning base, Cherokee 46 Mike.
November 22336, Rear Beach Tower, wind 350 at 9er, gust 20, fly heading 300, runway 30 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, heading 300, Cherokee 22336.
Please number 1, hold short, runway 30 left.
60, 70.
And 22336, Palm Beach is landing west today, so we're departing straight right. Do you expect the RNAV Bravo into Lantan Airport?
Wow, that's so good. Okay, I'd rather go visual then, Cherokee 22336.
Okay, plan for the visual.
Thank you. Okay, visual. He wanted me to go to the ocean, and I refused. I said no, I'll go visual. 1992 and 1227. 1227.
12735, Southwest 1887, good day.
Wind at
And
0.
over 336, upon further review, I actually could give you the RNAV Alpha if you still want it.
Yes, please, Cherokee 22336.
Perfect, it's plan for the RNAV Alpha.
Roger. Okay, good, so I got the Alpha.
Number 336 across Zotov at 2600, cleared for the RNAV Alpha straight on approach.
Cross at Zotov at 2600, clear for the RNAV Alpha approach, Cherokee 22336.
Big Hawaii Skyhawk 136 Kilo, we're about 10 miles to the southwest of the field, flying on that 3.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.